So John Pross has given us sus images of the iPhone SE 3 that I find kinda hard to believe, and so let's delve into it. But first, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours, and with that being said, let's just tuck in. So John Pross says 69% accurate, very nice, and so that does mean for the most part, we can trust his information. However, in this instance, I do find his report a little sus. Now, why do I think this? Well, Prosser on the Genius Bar podcast did share alleged images of the iPhone SE 3, showing the front and the back of the device. And while to no one's surprise, the design looks identical to the SE2, so there's that. However, there are certain elements to these images that do make me doubt this is even the SE3, and that begins with the back and the Apple logo not being centered. So yes, if you tweak the image slightly, you can see the Apple logo on the back is not centered on the device. And this makes no sense because ever since the iPhone 11, Apple has centered the logo on the back of every iPhone, and I don't see them going back. I mean, the SE2 already has a centered logo, so I do expect the SE3 to follow suit. However, the other sus part is on the front. You can see the display showcases the important battery message notification, and that's usually found on iPhones that are not using genuine batteries. And so for engineers to work on an iPhone SE3 that has a non-genuine battery makes no sense, and that's why I do find these images a little hard to believe. In fact, I would not be surprised if these are images of an iPhone 8 with an aftermarket battery inside. However, the sad part is, even if these leaks are wrong, the design is gonna be the same as the iPhone 8, and so yes, ultimately this does give us a pretty accurate idea on the design. But hey, hopefully much like the Apple Watch Series 7, Apple does surprise us and gives us a complete redesign we were not expecting. But guys, tell me your thoughts. Do you think we're in for a surprise with this SE? Anyways, thank you for watching guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumours. Check out the video in the card above on details regarding the iPad Air 5. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps.